What is a computer worm and how to prevent it? In this video, we will discuss that in detail. A computer worm is a type of malware that infects a computer in a network and replicates itself to infect other computers of the network. A worm exploits security vulnerabilities present within a system to infect the system. And after infecting a system within a network, it uses recursive methods to scan other computers within the network and infects them. A computer worm, much like a computer virus, can replicate itself to infect other computers. But unlike a computer virus, a computer worm does not need to attach itself to existing programs. How is a computer worm different from a computer virus and Trojan? Interested viewers who want to know more about how different malware programs work and how we can protect ourselves, please refer to the book A Guide to Cybersecurity. The relevant links are provided in the description. What does a computer worm do? As a computer worm spreads through a network, it often consumes lots of network bandwidth or causes other harm to the network. And after infecting a system, a computer worm can steal sensitive data, corrupt files or hard drives, or install a backdoor. In some cases, a computer worm can also act as a ransomware and encrypt files on a hard drive to extort money from the user. So, how can we protect ourselves from computer worms? A couple of pieces of advice always help. Configure a proper firewall on your system. No device should connect to the internet without a proper firewall. Use anti-malware programs from trusted sources and update them regularly. Keep your operating system, browser, and other commonly used software updated with recent patches. A computer worm often exploits security vulnerabilities present within a system to infect the system, and updating software with recent security patches reduces security vulnerabilities present within the software. Think twice before clicking on a link if you are unsure where the link points. Do not click on any link or attachment to an email if you are not sure about the authenticity of the sender. And last but not least, it is always a piece of wise advice to use a virtual machine to browse the internet. If the virtual machine gets infected, you can always restore it to a previously taken snapshot or destroy it entirely and create a new one. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please visit the website of the Security Buddy. The Security Buddy also provides many cybersecurity courses. The relevant links are provided in the description. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.